Hi all. So I made this channel about 3 years ago, and I simply made it because I found Unity HDRP hard to set up. And instead of keeping that to myself, I decided maybe I should share it. After that I made a couple of other videos, and actually after that I found my first software engineer job and forgot about this channel completely. Why am I making video at all then now? Well, I haven't lost any job or anything like that. I just decided maybe during my free time I would like to make a game. And I thought maybe it would also be nice to share weekly devlogs. So yeah, that's what am I gonna do. And honestly, like, previous videos did a lot better than I expected, so thanks, yeah. So in this video I'll just share what sort of idea for a game I have, and currently I have nothing to show, so I'm just gonna put on some of my favorite game, League of Legends, gameplay in the background. I think a good place to start off is the type of the game I'm trying to make. So, you know, type is it a MOBA, is it a shooter, is it a fighting game, or is it an RPG? At the moment, the idea I have is closest to a fighting game. So think of Mortal Kombat, Super Smash Bros, Street Fighter, but with a little twist. I'm going to try and add an extra dimension. Literally. I'm going to try and make a 3D fighting game where you can use a third-person or a first-person camera. I am not exactly sure which one will work best, but that's the idea. I'm going to focus on making this an online multiplayer. A long time ago, I was just messing around with networking in Unity, and I made a very simple prototype game. I think you could only run around, jump, throw a fireball, or hold the right button and charge up and throw a bigger fireball. And I tried playing around with my friend at that time. It was quite fun, even though the game had like really bad netcode, so it didn't run too smooth. It wasn't very, polished or finished. So I'm thinking I really want to resurrect that idea, and especially one thing that bothers me is that I lost the entire game code for that. I think my computer broke down and I couldn't recover it. So I mentioned the spell like Fireball, and that leads me to the setting of the game. Now, I really love the atmosphere in this MMORPG called Lineage 2. It's an old one, it used to be my favorite. And yeah, in that game you can start as a human mage, or an elf mage, or dark elf mage, or orc mage. And at least as a human mage, you start in this academy looking building. And I kind of thought, well, before you go on this adventure, with like fighting monsters and raid bosses and PvP and all of that stuff, you had to learn this wind strike somehow. And that sort of gave me an idea of like Mage Academy, So you probably had to, read books and etc. like that, but maybe you had to practice with other mages in like a fight. So that works really well for a fighting game, I think, because that allows me to use a lot of like innovative or like not so innovative, just a lot of freedom in creating abilities, and they all will work with the theme of the game. So Mage Academy with some fighting, yeah, that's gonna be my theme. So I got the type of the game I'm trying to make, a fighting game. I know that it's going to be online, and I know that the setting is gonna be this Mage Academy setting, sort of fantasy, So what am I missing before I can, start up a Unity project and start coding, making all the assets, etc.? What's missing is selecting a platform, because I'm going to go about it in a very different way if I'm trying to make for mobile or for PC or for PlayStation, you know, cross-platform. So I'm going to take the easiest way out, and I'm going to select just releasing this game, or at least if I finish it and it's somewhat good, I'm going to try to release it on Steam, because I think that's the most accessible platform for a developer, especially like an indie like me. So, what to expect in the future? Well, I'm going to be showcasing what I implemented, well, just the most interesting systems every week, by making a devlog update video on YouTube, and every day I'll be trying to stream on Twitch from 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Eastern European Summer Time. So that's it for now. Hope you all have a wonderful day.